Many of you remember how Shawn Bolz pretended to have prophetic insights about a young man by using his social media information during the SANS conference in 2019. Modern technology and public information can be used to manipulate people in many ways. But what will happen if people like Shawn begin to use artificial intelligence? If you want to know more about that, please stay tuned for this episode of Digging Deeper. Artificial intelligence brings both positive and negative consequences. On the positive side, it advances human healthcare as it is able to make more accurate and timely diagnoses. It helps to make better investments as it is able to predict the development of the stock market, or it can make movie production more efficient. But on the negative side, AI can also be used for unethical purposes. So what are the dangers of AI in religious circles? I want to point out two things that specifically relate to the charismatic movement. First, AI tools can be used to create videos or images of alleged miracles. Attempts to create such things have already occurred in the past by means of more traditional computer graphics software. For example, a few weeks ago, I came across a tweet by Liz Churchill in which she shared a clip of a messianic or angelic appearance. Have a look at this. Liz is convinced that this clip is evidence for the so-called Project Bluebeam. People who hold to this theory think that NASA and other organizations will use holograms to control and manipulate the population. But other people who shared the same clip believe it shows an actual appearance of Christ or an angel. Of course, I was immediately skeptical and did some fact-checking. And I eventually found out that the creator of this clip is Jason Carlos, so it's a fake clip. And on his Instagram profile, he even posted a video that shows how he did the computer graphics. He uses Autodesk Maya to model the angel, he does some cloth simulation, renders it, and then uses Adobe After Effects to do the final compositing. The thing is that what Jason is doing requires actual technical knowledge and creative skills. And I'm saying that as someone who has worked in the visual effects industry. This type of software that Jason is using is not necessarily user-friendly. But all of that will change with the rise of artificial intelligence. For example, there are text-to-image AI models such as Midjourney. This is a deep learning model that can generate images from mere textual descriptions. Here's an example of an image I created of Montanus and his prophetesses. I was able to generate this image within only a few minutes. Other AI models are also capable of generating videos using the same machine learning technology. And because AI technology makes the creation of such videos so easy, I'm convinced that the charlatans of the charismatic movement will be tempted to create fake videos of alleged healings and miracles in the coming years. The second thing I want to point out is AI's ability to predict human decision-making or events. In fact, during the last presidential election, polling organizations used AI to predict the election outcome. Thereby, AI systems collect data from social media, history, the economy, and other sources. I think this technology can likewise be used for religious fraud. Suppose these tools become more accessible to private people. In that case, self-proclaimed prophets could use them to make prophetic predictions, whether this is the prediction of an individual's decision-making or the presidential election. I really hope the Trump prophets are not watching this video. For some of you, this whole issue around AI sounds scary, and to some degree it is. In fact, some experts say that AI will eventually surpass human intelligence so far that it can improve by itself. So we end up having an uncontrollable superintelligence. This moment of technological breakthrough is called singularity. And I would argue, for charismatics, the technological singularity is reached as soon as AI begins to speak in tongues. I'm sorry for that, let's be serious. I think we as Christians should know that no matter what the technological future holds, God is sovereign over everything, and that nothing happens that is not part of God's decree. And yet, as responsible Christians, a healthy dialogue about AI and its dangers will be required. So let me know what you think about all of these things in the comment section below. I may do another video on this topic. Also, I would like to say thanks to Ken Kabadi. He is an expert in machine learning and helped me to better understand AI. Alright everyone, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to this channel. But as for now, I wish you a very blessed time. See you soon.